found the ultimate camping spot here in Maine. You got this, where I was just catching some fish. Nice little spot, and this stream runs way back into the woods, all windy. Then if you come up here, oh wait. Which way did I come from? Oh, right here. And you come up here. You got this whole open area here. No phone service out here. And yeah, you got the water access there. Set up your tent wherever you want out here. Set up a hammock. And then nice little fire pit set up here, which is still smoking from whoever was here. Little bench. Awesome spot.